How to remove PEX fittings, PEX brass fittings with the iWis tool. Check it out. As you can see, I've got a whole bunch of brass fittings here with PEX crimp rings that I've needed to get the PEX tubing off of. I kind of found out the trick to this was to take your iWis tool and cut the ring, and the best way to cut this ring is do one on one side and then go 90 degrees around, not 45 like what I'm doing here. To the other side, and it'll kind of fold open, which will get rid of the ring. Then you're left with the PEX on the brass. Now if they've been on there for a while, as you can see here, you really can pull on these things and they do not come off. The trick I found to doing this is just take that cutting tool again and rotate a little bit, put 5 or 10 different notches into the ring, and they just pop right off. Piece of cake. Hope somebody else found this useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you again next time.